Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Aspire Bluetooth. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Next, power on your Ford Aspire's ignition and ensure the sync system is active. You will then need to find the phone or menu button on your vehicle's dashboard or steering wheel controls to begin the pairing process. Once you've pressed the phone button, navigate through the sync menu to find the Add Device or Pair Device option. Your car's screen will then display a 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, a matching PIN should appear on your mobile device. Confirm these numbers are identical on both screens. After confirmation, the system will prompt you to allow contact download for convenient hands-free calling. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full range of Bluetooth features. You can access your phone's contacts directly from the sync display or use simple voice commands to make calls without taking your hands off the steering wheel. To listen to music or podcasts, simply select Bluetooth audio from the sync menu, and your device's sound will play through your car's speakers. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your mobile phone and the Ford Aspire sync system often resolves connection problems. Always ensure your phone is within a few feet of the vehicle for optimal signal strength during pairing. For best performance, consider deleting any old, unused paired devices from your sync system's memory. Enjoy your seamless, hands-free driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.